Hey everybody, I wanted to do a Merry Christmas shout out to all you all. I'd like to thank all my new subscribers and old subscribers. I really appreciate it. The channel has grown quite a bit since I, the first year, and it continues to grow, and I really appreciate all the support and kind words and uh, pushes towards making my models better, and it's very encouraging. A lot of nice encouragement. So I kind of wanted to do a face-to-face thank you to everybody in the community, everybody who supports the channel. I hope you have a great and Merry Christmas and a happy and safe new year. And may all your goals and ambitions come true for you in this coming year. It really surprises me how fast this year has gone, but the older we get, the faster everything seems to go. So I wanted to take a moment to at least thank everybody who is, part of the channel and helpful or help grow it. It is much bigger already than I have ever thought it would be. And I think that growth and everything is what keeps me going on this channel. So a couple of fellow YouTubers out there sent me Christmas cards, and I'd like to thank them. Dan and Terry, Munchkin Modeling Man. Everybody knows him, I'm pretty sure of. Thank you so much for the Christmas card, and thank you for the stickers that was included with it. Me and the wife actually got quite a kick out of that. And Tom, old Tom, Rambler 69. A lot of you have got his card this year. Thank you, Tom. And Tom and Susan, really appreciate it. I have the cards sitting here on my desk so I can see them while I'm building my models. Hopefully I can get a few of the kits that I've been working on at the end of the year done, so that way I can count them into my 2021 kits of the year. This year I kind of lost track of how many I've done. I'll actually have to go back to the video to see which ones I do. And of course, like I usually do, and many of you else out there do, there will be a 2021 model kit review. All the kits that I have done in the past, or in that year. And so I have probably about 3 right now that are very close to being done. So I won't do that video until that day. And I do have high hopes for next year to get out quite a bit of kits. One thing I am going to try to achieve is get more detail in my builds. Sometimes it seems like I skip on certain things to try to just get it done. And that's one of my goals for next year, to get over and don't lose focus. Just get it done and make it look the best I can. Also, probably in the summertime I will be doing more outdoor videos. I do plan on having some that happened this year, but I haven't got around to editing the video and actually posting those as well. There's 2 good reasons for doing that. One reason is it's fun to share my adventures with the other YouTubers, because sometimes you guys don't get to go to all the same places, and it's just fun to be able to see where other people have gone. The other thing is I had a hard drive crash earlier this year, and I did lose some of my videos and pictures of past trips, and I don't know if I'll be able to get those back. But if they're on YouTube, I at least have those videos on there as well. So I hope you look forward to seeing some of those. I still probably have about 6 videos yet I still have to edit and get out there to you. So look forward to those. And that's about all I have for this channel update. But I hope you guys do have a very Merry Christmas. Thanks for supporting the channel and everybody else out there. And I look forward to seeing all your builds. And until next time, I'll talk to you then.